Friendship County was saved by the courageous heroes. Team Friendship, but sadly, even though they thought they had dealt with Nab Nab, he regenerated and now he's back. Welcome to the new Friendship County. New trouble, new friends, returning villains, great heroes, and many, many more. A new Friendship County, more than it even seems.
Let's go. The waves are totally rad.
Bambolina, do you want to come out with me to the tiki bar?
Of course.
Let's just relax here. Anais, sound like a plan?
Yes! Wipe out, dude. These waves are totally rad.
Hold it, Whitetail! Your days are of surfing are over.
Dude, I don't like the way you talk. I'm gonna just keep surfing.
Oh no! If the calculations are correct, this will totally check the doctor, definitely!
Do you think it'll work?
Absolutely! Ah! What? Snip! Yow! Oof!
Totally crushing, dude. Good one. Now let's put on some sunscreen for our next activity.
Sorry, I do not know what card to give you. Will you hurry up and give me a card? Sorry, card! I don't remember programming you to beat me around! Pew, pew, pew! Pew, pew, pew! I wasn't made for this feud. None of the stuff I make works. It always fails. I absolutely hate paying cards, and someday I must build a better card robot, but that's the reason my concern. My concern is that the doctor still hasn't gotten back from the beast of Team Fensive. I hope he caught those pesky kids. Ding dong! Being dubbed on with a suitcase doesn't feel good. Let me guess, Team Fensive put a fast one on you? Yes, and I have something special for you. What's that? See that tiny little circle here? It might look like nothing, but it's much more than that. It's my new NAB-MAGNET. With this, you will forecast those pesky kids once and for all. Bring this to the base where they currently are, and I expect you to bring back those pesky kids to me. Ha ha ha! Aye aye, Mr. Naps.
The nice sun. Just relaxing out here. No Nab Nab, no nothing. Just relaxation.
That's what they think.
Bambolina, could you check the bushes, please?
Okay, Bam Bam. It's on for you, you pesky kids.
Not the good old dumpster again.
Take a pistol, all right, say still and say tease. Just say still for a moment.
I'll have that.
Hey, give that back.
You want it? You gotta go over here.
You can never do any more evil business unless we give it back.
Come back! Oh.
Get ready for this!
Oh no! Ooh, ow, 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 ow.
Well, we got the doctor out of the way. We need to go back to the beach and have a good rest of our beach day.
Yay! Ugh. By the time I get there, Team Fencer will be my own magnetized prisoners. Ha ha ha! Only 10 minutes away until I reach the beach. My sandcastle, guys. Get ready for your last beaming minutes, Pessy kids. I have proof this invention works. Your beach day is over now.
I think it's time to give chase again.
Hey, you stop that invention. You don't know how many minutes I walked on cat. There's no way you pessy kids that have saved my new Nab castle. Hey, come back here.
Running out of ideas. I got it.
What are you gonna do to me, Red Pass? No, not the NAB-MAGNET, no! Oh no! Cow! Whoa!
Wipe out, dude. Let's head back to the Friendship Mobile. We had an amazing beach day.
Oh, I don't feel so good. Oh, can't do sometime, you pessy kids. If it's the last pain I do, and I hate being seasick. I want to carry amazing tan.
Well, you can get it the right way. Getting sunburned is not good. You can have a burn for a really long time. Remember to use sunscreen and don't stay out for a long time because it's the safest way to go.
Sunscreen! Also bad when you look like me if I got red.
Friendship County was saved by the courageous heroes. Team Friendship, but sadly, even though they thought they had dealt with Nab Nab, he regenerated and now he's back. Welcome to the new Friendship County. New trouble, new friends, returning villains, great heroes, and many, many more. A new Friendship County, more than it even seems.